In urban areas, balconies often sit underutilized, but creating an eco-friendly balcony garden can make a significant impact. Imagine growing your own herbs, vegetables, and flowers, all while promoting biodiversity. Sarah, an urban dweller, turned her small balcony into a lush oasis with native plants that attract pollinators and reduce carbon. She says, "It not only beautified my space, but I also enjoy fresh basil and tomatoes right from my home." Experts suggest using recycled pots and compost for planting to minimize waste. Empower yourself with sustainable gardening practices and watch as your balcony transforms into a sanctuary for nature and your culinary creations.